August 14th, 2026, massive news day, let's go. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, Compete Token, the gaming crypto that actually has real games behind it, not just a white paper and a Discord. Links in the description. Tether just silenced every hater with a Big Four audit. After years of critics screaming that Tether's reserves were vaporware, KPMG has finished a full financial audit of the $180 billion stablecoin and handed Tether a clean opinion. This is the big one, folks. Every FUD article, every Tether is going to collapse thread, every hedge fund short thesis for the last decade, all of it just got a KPMG stamp saying, actually, the money's there. About time. The SEC just killed its own long-awaited crypto rulebook. Reg Crypto, the flagship framework the entire industry was waiting on, got yanked off the calendar with no new date. They just cancelled the meeting. Done. Bye. So the same agency that spent years telling everyone, come in and register, now can't even schedule the meeting where they explain how to register. Regulation by vibes, baby. This is peak clown show energy from Washington. Your hardware wallet's shipping guy just leaked your address. Trezor is warning 14,000 customers that their personal data got exposed after fulfillment partner chipmunk got popped. The wallets are fine, the keys are fine, but the phishing wave, incoming. Pro tip: if you're on that list, nobody from Trezor is emailing you to verify your seed phrase. Nobody, ever. If your inbox lights up next week with an urgent security notice, delete it and go touch grass. JP Morgan debanked Polymarket while quietly buying its own Bitcoin ETF. The FT reports Jamie Dimon's bank quietly cut ties with the prediction market over regulatory concerns, which is banker code for our lawyers got nervous. Meanwhile, and this is the good part, JP Morgan's own Q2 filing shows the bank loaded up more BlackRock Bitcoin and Ether ETF. So Polymarket bad, spot Bitcoin good. Analysts are saying it's just client demand. Sure, Jamie, sure. A crypto lender CEO just got 15 years for a $50 million scam. South Korea sentenced Delio's CEO to 15 years in prison over the crypto lending fraud that blew up user funds. 15 years. This is what actual accountability looks like. Not a fine, not a settlement, not a slap on the wrist, a decade and a half behind bars. Take notes, US regulators. Punish the scammers, not the customers they scammed. MSCI wants to kick every Bitcoin treasury company out of its indices. The index giant proposed new rules that would boot Strategy, Metaplanet, and anyone else holding too much Bitcoin off the major stock benchmarks. Strategy fired back saying MSCI should measure markets, not dictate what companies can own on their balance sheet. And they're right. Since when did an index committee get to tell corporate treasurers what assets are allowed? Get out of here with that. Bitcoin bled down to 62,500 as August ETFs took their first two-day drawdown. Yesterday's inflation print landed with a thud, no rally sparked, and traders are watching this weekend's close for a signal on the next leg. Every trader on Twitter is calling for either a bounce or a crash, which means literally nobody knows. If the weekly closes under 63,000, expect the doomers to unhinge their jaws. Otherwise, this is just another shakeout in a long bull market. Israel's biggest bank just went full crypto with Galaxy. Bank Hapoalim, the largest bank in the country, is now offering Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana trading to its customers through a Galaxy partnership. Another legacy bank quietly folding while pretending it's a strategic partnership and not a total capitulation. Adoption isn't loud anymore. It's a Tuesday press release from a bank you've heard of your whole life. Kalshi is about to be worth $40 billion. The prediction market platform is in talks with Sequoia and Wellington for a $750 million funding round at a $40 billion valuation. Prediction markets went from a niche crypto nerd toy to Sequoia's favorite category in about 12 months. Turns out betting on real-world outcomes is way more fun than yield farming a Ponzi. Who knew? Quick reminder, today's video is sponsored by Compete Token. Links in the description. That's your Crypto Pulse for August 14th. Hit subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow.